the traffic doesn't move at all when we was waiting in the line. So we decided to park the car and walk to there. But very likely we're gonna be late to bed. I didn't expect so many people is gonna go there. But the one thing I was smart about is I wear multiple layers. If you guys are also coming to see this Christmas train, I suggest you guys dress warm because you might stay outside for quite some time, so it's better to keep warm. This is the train decorated with Christmas light up to there. Christmas lights on the trains. It's also a concert over there. Too many people. We'll come later. We'll go later. Maybe the train will move now. Train moving! My hand is frozen to death. I need to go home now. Happy holidays! If you ever come to see this show, be sure to bring your hat, better a scarf, because it's very cold. If it's windy and rainy or snowy, dress more than less. So cold. Maya. It was kind of snowy, kind of rainy. Not sure what kind of weather is this. Pretty bad. Oh Maya. This is some of my Black Friday purchases. And I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing with you guys. I just received it today and I have not opened it yet. So the first purchase is this MacBook Pro. It is Apple M2 Pro. It has 10 core CPU and 16 core GPU with 512 gigabytes hard drive and 16 gigabytes memory. And the price is, as of today, is $2,339 without taxes. Looks this big. Another reason I choose this model over another model because I learned that this Mac allows me to connect with two monitors. It's quite important feature for me because I'm already kind of used to use two monitors to work. So I want my laptop to be able to connect with two monitors while I work. I'm not a tech pro or something like that. I made this purchase just because I right now need a new computer. So that's why I bought it. Okay, moving on to the next one. It's iPhone 13 Pro with 256 gigabytes storage, and the color is graphite. Looks like this. I bought this phone because I think the camera for this phone is quite good for this price point. I think the camera for this phone performs a bit better than the cameras around this price point. As of today, this phone's price is at 943 Canadian dollars without taxes. But this phone is renewed, so if you do not mind that, you can still purchase it. But if you mind that, maybe not. So my daily work involves the use of Microsoft Offices like Excel and Word and some video editing stuff. So I believe the laptop I bought is more than enough for my work needs. If your work needs is similar to mine, then I think this laptop is not a bad purchase. I will leave the link to this laptop in the description box so you guys can check the details down below. Okay, and moving on to the last one. Okay, that's all for today's unboxing. I hope you have a good night and I will see you in the next video. Bye!